In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the official West Elm home design experience on Roblox. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Roblox. Once the site loads, sign into your Roblox account and make sure you reach your account dashboard successfully. If you are not already logged in, take a moment to enter your account details and confirm that everything loads properly before moving on. It is always a good idea to make sure your browser is updated and that Roblox is working normally, since that can help prevent loading issues later. After you are signed in, go to the search area on Roblox and look for the official West Elm Home Design Experience page. Be careful to choose the correct official experience rather than a copy or a fan-made version. Checking the title carefully can save time and help you avoid joining the wrong game. Once you find the correct page, click into it, so you can view the game's main landing page and confirm that you are in the right place. When the experience page is open, look for the green play button. This is the button that launches the game and connects you to a live server. Click it once and wait while Roblox begins loading the experience. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a few moments. If Roblox asks for permission to open the app or player, allow it so the game can continue launching properly. As the experience loads, be patient and let the game fully connect. Once you enter the server, your character will begin spawning into the environment. The important thing here is to let your avatar load completely into the map zone geometry. In simple terms, that means you should wait until your character is fully present in the playable area and the environment around you has loaded in correctly. This helps initialize user tracking inside the experience, which may be necessary for the game to recognize your presence and activity properly. If things appear slow or incomplete at first, give the game a few extra seconds before clicking around too much. Waiting for the full spawn can help avoid glitches and make sure the experience starts as